Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove account restriction on Facebook. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys must have to know that there is no any permanent way of account restriction on Facebook, so you don't have to worry about it. So you guys have multiple solutions in order to get the account restriction removed or bypass. So for that you have to just simply open up Play Store application, and here you have to just simply search for Facebook. And first you guys must have to update your Facebook application, and after that you must have to just simply log in and log out. So I think your problem will be fixed, but if your problem still not fixed, then you guys have to just simply go to any search bar of the Google Play Store, and here you have to just simply search any VPN. So you have to just simply install any of the VPN. I'll recommend you to install the Super VPN, and after connecting with VPN you have to just simply open up the Facebook, and I think your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, then the last solution is you guys have to just simply open up Facebook, and here you have to just simply, after opening up the Facebook, you have to just simply go to the top right corner of three horizontal lines, and here you have to just simply scroll down. So after successfully scrolling down, you have to just simply click on help and support to the drop down menu, and here you have to just simply click on the report a problem, and here you have to just simply click on OK. After that you have to just simply shake your phone. After that you have to just simply click on report problem, and it will create a report for you. And here you have to just simply include that the issue about Facebook has limited your likes, comments, or anything in which your account is restricted. You have to just briefly state the issue to Facebook, and also attach the screenshots. So after attaching the screenshot, Facebook will review your support or report, and Facebook will review your report, and Facebook will let you know about it, and Facebook will resolve your issue. So I hope this method found you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.